Okay, so this is the next night. I've so far chopped off a little bit of extra that's left behind, and I've put my shovel flange in. I don't know if you're going to see it if I do that. Just lets the plate, it's been scrapped there, the plate sit down almost flush. I've finished knocking about with this plate. Drilled some 7mm holes in so I can plug weld onto my joggled flange. I'm going to have to just finish shaping it once it's all welded solid up, and then grind it up, and hopefully it will look fairly flat. That's the hole that's going to fix it to the inner wing. So next step, etch prime it, and then splash and weld all over it. Okay.